Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a easy pineapple curry, also known as pineapple Gojju in Kannada. Let's begin. You will need a ripe pineapple, cut it into halves. Let's use one half. Peel the skin and chop it into thin slices. This measures about 1.5 cups in 250 ml cup. Transfer this to a cooking vessel. Add half a cup of water to it. Give a quick mix. Cover the lid and let it cook. Meanwhile, let's do the masala preparation. Heat a tawa, add a teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Add 1 teaspoon of heaped urad dal, 1 teaspoon of heaped chana dal, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, a pinch of methi or fenugreek seeds, 6 to 7 dry red bedgi chilies and a few curry leaves. Now roast the spices on low flame until they slightly change color and turn fragrant. Make sure you do not burn them. Once they are completely roasted, switch off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. Now transfer the cooled spices to a blender jar. Add half a cup of freshly grated coconut to it, 1 tablespoon of jaggery, water required to grind. Now grind this into a smooth paste. Let's check the pineapple. This looks almost cooked. Now to this add the ground masala paste. Mix well. Add some water to adjust the consistency. Add some more water if the curry looks too thick. Now check the taste and add a tablespoon of tamarind juice only if required. The curry must have a balanced sweet and sour taste, so make sure you add accordingly. Check for salt, add if required. Now cover and let the gravy boil. For the tempering, add 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 sprig of curry leaves, a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Once the gravy comes to a good boil, add in the tempering. Mix well. And a pineapple curry is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes so that the flavors enhance. This pineapple curry can be served with steamed rice. Thanks for watching.